Welcome back to Techatop, the best streaming integrated amplifiers in 2026, designed to combine high-quality amplification with modern wireless streaming convenience. These all-in-one solutions deliver powerful sound, smart connectivity, and premium build quality for music lovers who want simplicity without compromise. Stay tuned as we break down features, sound performance, and value. Links in the description. Number 5. The Marantz Model M1 wireless streaming amplifier is a refined and powerful solution for modern listeners who want high-performance audio in a compact and elegant design. Engineered with versatility in mind, the Model M1 delivers 100 watts per channel of clean, low-distortion amplification that produces clear, dynamic, and engaging sound across a wide range of music genres. Whether used in a dedicated listening room or as part of a multi-room setup, the sound quality remains consistently impressive. Built-in HiFi streaming allows seamless access to popular music services, internet radio, and local libraries, making everyday listening effortless. The inclusion of a dedicated subwoofer output adds welcome flexibility, enabling the system to fill larger spaces with deeper and more impactful bass. Despite its small footprint, the Model M1 feels solid and premium, reflecting decades of Marantz craftsmanship and attention to detail. One of the standout features is Marantz musical digital filtering, known as MMDF. This advanced digital filtering technology enhances tonal accuracy and reveals subtle details, resulting in a natural and musical presentation that avoids harshness. The amplifier also integrates smoothly with televisions, transforming movie and television audio into a richer and more immersive experience. User feedback highlights the excellent build quality and impressive sound performance, which align well with the brand's reputation. Overall, the Marantz Model M1 wireless streaming amplifier is an outstanding choice for those seeking a stylish, powerful, and future-ready audio solution that blends traditional Marantz sound character with modern streaming convenience. Number 4. The Yamaha R-N600A network receiver is a well-rounded and highly capable HiFi component designed for listeners who want flexibility, modern streaming, and authentic sound quality in a single unit. Finished in an elegant silver chassis, it blends classic Yamaha styling with advanced digital technology, making it suitable for both traditional and modern audio systems. At the heart of the R-N600A is the ESS Sabre ES9010K2M Ultra DAC, which delivers excellent signal-to-noise performance and precise digital conversion. High-resolution music streaming is fully supported, including native DSD playback up to 11.2 MHz and high-quality PCM playback up to 384 kHz through its network and front panel USB input. The result is clean, balanced, and detailed sound that remains enjoyable across long listening sessions. This receiver stands out for its wide range of connectivity options. Built-in Wi-Fi, Ethernet, and Bluetooth allow easy access to streaming services, while Yamaha MusicCast provides convenient control from a smartphone or tablet. A dedicated phono input makes it easy to enjoy vinyl records without needing an external preamplifier, and multiple analog and digital inputs ensure compatibility with CD players, televisions, and future audio sources. User feedback highlights the balanced and detailed sound performance, especially when paired with quality speakers. The amplifier section provides confident power delivery without harshness. While the MusicCast app can feel slightly slow during track changes, volume response is quick and reliable. Overall, the Yamaha R-N600A network receiver is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a versatile, integrated audio solution that delivers strong performance without sacrificing sound quality. Number 3. The SVS Prime Wireless Pro. Sound-based smart streaming stereo integrated amplifier is a powerful and modern solution designed to elevate traditional speaker systems into a fully connected audio experience. With a robust 300 watts of clean and controlled power, this compact amplifier delivers impressive dynamics, strong bass response, and excellent clarity when paired with quality speakers. It is well suited for both music listening and television audio in contemporary home setups. Streaming flexibility is a major strength of the Soundbase. Built-in Wi-Fi supports AirPlay 2 and Chromecast, while Bluetooth 5.0 with AAC and aptX ensures reliable wireless playback from a wide range of devices. This makes it easy to stream music from smartphones, desktops, or televisions without sacrificing sound quality. The integrated 24-bit 192 kHz digital-to-analog converter further enhances detail and resolution, producing a refined and engaging listening experience. Control options are thoughtfully implemented and highly convenient. Users can manage playback through a dedicated smartphone or desktop application, the included infrared remote, front panel controls, or supported voice commands. 6 front panel presets allow instant access to favorite playlists, internet radio stations, or streaming services, adding everyday ease of use. Connectivity is well covered with HDMI and USB inputs, allowing seamless integration with modern televisions and digital sources. A bass boost feature provides added low-end impact for listeners who prefer a fuller sound. User impressions consistently highlight the excellent sound quality and clarity, especially with capable speakers. Overall, the SVS Prime Wireless Pro sound base is an outstanding choice for those seeking high power, smart streaming, and audiophile-level performance in a compact integrated amplifier. Number 2. The Eversolo Play CD Edition is an advanced all-in-one streaming amplifier that combines a music streamer, high-quality digital to analog converter, and powerful amplification in a single, elegant unit. Designed for modern HiFi enthusiasts, it delivers 60 watts per channel into 8 ohms and up to 110 watts per channel into 4 ohms, providing ample power for most passive bookshelf speakers. The sound presentation is clean, detailed, and engaging, making it suitable for a wide range of music genres and listening environments. A major highlight is the large 5.5-inch LCD touchscreen, which features a smooth and intuitive user interface. All core functions can be controlled directly from the screen, including music browsing, playback control, and system settings, eliminating the need for a smartphone if desired. Support for popular streaming services such as Qobuz and Tidal ensures easy access to high-resolution music with bit-perfect audio reproduction. The Eversolo Play offers extensive connectivity, including optical, coaxial, line-in, phono input with MM and MC support, USB, subwoofer output, and speaker terminals. Multi-room playback allows multiple units to work together seamlessly, while the room correction feature intelligently adapts sound output to different acoustic spaces. Intelligent bass management, multi-band equalization, and genre-based presets further enhance customization. At its core is the AK4493 SEQ DAC, delivering excellent signal-to-noise performance and very low distortion. User reviews praise it as a true technological marvel with genuine hi-fi quality and exceptional value. Overall, the Eversolo Play CD Edition is an outstanding choice for listeners seeking a powerful, flexible, and refined all-in-one music solution. Number 1. The WiiM Amp Ultra with Voice Remote 2 is a cutting-edge streaming amplifier that combines high-performance, smart features, and sleek design into a single, versatile unit. Delivering 100 watts of clean power with ultra-low distortion, it can drive up to 4 speakers with exceptional clarity and dynamic detail. This makes it an excellent choice for both music lovers and home theater enthusiasts seeking immersive sound performance. At the core of the WiiM Amp Ultra are audiophile-grade components, including the ESS ES9039Q2M DAC, dual TI TPA3255 amplifiers, and PFFB technology. These elements ensure precise, load-independent sound reproduction across a wide range of speakers and listening environments. The built-in room-fit EQ automatically calibrates audio based on room acoustics and speaker placement, providing a perfectly balanced listening experience without complex manual adjustments. Connectivity options are extensive and future-proof, including Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3 with LE audio, HDMI ARC for television integration, optical and RCA inputs, and support for streaming services such as Spotify, Tidal, Qobuz, Amazon Music, RuneReady, and Chromecast. The 3.5-inch touchscreen housed in a sleek unibody aluminum case allows intuitive control, album art display, and easy access to system settings. Multi-room playback is supported, and voice control is compatible with Alexa, Google, and the included voice remote, making operation convenient and flexible. Users consistently praise the WiiM Amp Ultra for its sound quality, ease of use, and versatility. Paired with quality speakers, it delivers an audiophile-level experience that transforms any home audio setup. Overall, it is an outstanding choice for those seeking a modern, high-performance streaming amplifier. Thank you for watching our guide to the best streaming integrated amplifiers in 2026. We have explored powerful options that combine high-fidelity sound, smart connectivity, and modern features to elevate your home audio experience. Whether you are a music enthusiast or setting up a home theater, these amplifiers deliver performance and convenience. Be sure to check the links in the description for more details and to find the perfect amplifier for your setup.